Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Roy from Fatlace. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out this new old stock Hot Wheels Volkswagen T1 Fatlace, and it is from the year 2017. Supposedly they only made 4,000 of these. I've never seen one of these in person, and I always wanted to get a hold of one to be able to review it, and just never got around to it. And of course the price pretty much is everything kind of skyrocketed on them. This particular example, I had won through a raffle on Instagram. I think I spent like $40 in tickets and won it, something like that, $30 or $40. The tissue paper was still around the box here, which is correct, but it definitely was opened up because these are sealed with a clear sticker on them. But so we'll go ahead here and open this up without further ado, I should say. This all looks good here. Like I said, that tab was already cut open on the side, but you have the tissue paper here, which is also correct on the top. The gentleman asked me if I would look up the number and then let him know what the number is. There's no number on here at all that I can see. So I don't see any numbers. So I don't even know where, I don't know. There was a listing on eBay. Someone, they said on there it was 4,000 of them made. I don't really know. It's hard to tell sometimes with Hot Wheels cars. It's got some weight to it, I can tell you that. It's all over metal. Let me get the, we'll bring the camera closer here. And as you can see here, this is out of the box. It's got a checkered pattern around the base, which is kind of unique. This is almost a little bit darker than like an Audi gray. And it's got black checkers on the roof. But this is the display case here. It says Fatlace, which if you're not familiar, I believe it's a clothing store. And this was exclusive to their online store. I think you could only purchase this through them, as far as I know. It's dated 2016 on the bottom. But we'll go ahead here and see if we can get this open. Sometimes these are pretty tricky to get the tabs to pop. So a lot of times I'll use a little letter opener or something like that to just kind of get in here and just do a quarter turn. It's a slight twist there on those tabs, and then you can get the case to open up for you. Otherwise, if you pull on these, you can break the tabs very easily off these little display cases. So now we have this free, which is always a nice feeling. All right, now we have it up on the turntable. We can take a lot better overall view at this casting. This is a, if you're not familiar with it, it's a Volkswagen T1 panel bus, and it is all over metal with a metal base. With this particular one, anyways, the Real Riders has the rubber tires and nicer rims on it, and it is a premium grade Hot Wheels car. And like I said, it is a dark gray, pretty much like almost an Audi gray, I would say. And it has a black checkered tampo roof with black Fatlace tampos on the sides. I'm not sure, what does it say on the doors there? Does it say collect everything, I think, or something on the sides? I'll have to look closer. I can't even see what that says on the side of it. There, of course, we have a good shot of the front. Pretty cool. I mean, it's got, I'm not gonna lie, it's got some weight to it. It's kind of shocking how heavy this is. It's not as shockingly as heavy as the drag bus. That one is, I think it's the heaviest Hot Wheels car ever made, I believe, if my facts are correct, if I remember. This casting it's dated 2011 on the bottom. It looks pretty cool in person. I'm trying to figure out, the wheels like a flat gloss black discs. I thought they were 4-spoke, but if you look at them, they're all just, that's really different. I don't know if they ever used those wheels on anything else. They're just like a salt flat racer rims on. I don't know, what does the tires even say? I can't see what they say on it. It's gonna be hard to see that, but they actually says Fatlace on the tires. I have this broken piece of magnifying glass I just found here that I've never seen Hot Wheels do that on any other one of these special runs where they actually have the tire lettering with the company name. That's pretty impressive. And it does say collect everything on the sides of the doors. So FT LC on the license plate for Fatlace. Really interesting. I mean, it's not a whole lot to it, but it's very, very attractive. The wheels are, in a certain lighting, the wheels almost looks like they're dark green. It's just the way that gloss black plastic, I think, is, and the way it's reflecting the light. It almost looks like a dark, right there, almost looks dark green to me. But the base is metal, satin black. As stated earlier, it's dated 2011 on it. Very cool. If you're a Volkswagen collector, this is probably a must-have. Don't think anything opens on it right now. Back door doesn't open. But let me zoom up here and we'll get some final shots, and that's going to be a quick video for today or tonight, depending on when this runs. Pretty freaking cool though. I didn't realize this was that old. I was thinking it was a little newer than 2017. And like I said, I don't see anywhere on the box, anywhere it says 4,000 of them made. So I have my doubts on that, but we'll go off of what I'm finding online, just because I have no other avenue to obtain the information at this time. If you guys know for sure, comment down below. Like I said, I don't always believe everything I read when it comes to these numbers that Hot Wheels is producing. We see all the time how many of them come slip out of the factory. So there you go. That is today or tonight's video of the 2017 Hot Wheels Fatlace Volkswagen T1 panel bus. Pretty freaking cool. It is in an all over gray with black tampos, black salt flat racer rims, rubber tires that have Fatlace lettering on, which is quite different. Very petite. Hope you guys like that. You have to let me know down below what you guys think of this. Would you pay the amount that people were asking for these? Like I said, I personally wouldn't, but it is very, very cool. Don't get me wrong, but there's no way I would be willing to pay $275 to $300 for this currently. I think I paid, like I said, $30 or $40 for it. So pretty good deal on my part, and beginner's luck. I don't do many raffles. I thought about doing a video about raffles, but it can be a slippery slope. So there you go. That is the video, and I have a bunch more here to do, and so we'll move on to the next one in the queue. Hope you guys like that. If you like this type of video, be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share, like, all that good stuff. Like I said, if you're not a subscriber, it is free. Please consider it. I'm hoping to hit 10,000 here within maybe 6 months, and hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys next time. I love doing that. It's so drawn out, it's ridiculous. All right, I'll see you guys soon. All right, have a good night. Bye now.